Giving you guys a little update on last Saturday's video. So I shot some primer on these yesterday. I don't think you guys even saw them assemble. Maybe there's one that was dry fit, but you see we have our frames in here now. These are right next to each other, and we have a frame that goes across the top. We can show you that. But I used a new primer. It's from Icro. This can's a little bit dirty, but it's the W416. It's either 1K or 2K. You can add a catalyst to this to make it 2K, and it lays out great. Looks really nice just as primer, and it sands up beautifully. I already sanded some parts, so if you're in the market for a new finish, definitely give Icro a try. I'm happy so far. So this is our left side panel, this is our right side panel, and these aren't perfectly aligned, but this goes across the top, and we create a doorway. So this section, the outside sections of these actually sit up against sheetrock, and these sections with the glass are just in an opening. So this is for a butler's pantry. So if you're standing in the kitchen looking, you'll have this doorway with the glass. Inside is like a really moody kind of room, really dark tile. We could show you a piece of the tile. It's tiled on the ceiling, the walls everywhere, really dark cabinetry. And over here we have a return. So we have a wall, adjacent wall that comes back this way, and we have a panel over there that goes with that. So yeah, it should be a nice job. If you stay tuned on Instagram, Green Street Joinery, you could see some finished pictures. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Let us know what you think about this project, and we'll see you soon. So John was asking me why I'm using this new paint. So this comes highly recommended by some buddies, namely Matt Vizentainer of IKAG Viz. This is also used by a door company that I'm interested in trying out. That's New England Doors and Coatings. Joe from Fez Hall, world's greatest delivery driver. You're gonna see more of him in a minute.
Why do you say world's greatest delivery?
But yeah, so this is an Italian coating. So we're using the 416 primer and the 5500 top coat. And we got this from, like I said, New England Coatings and Doors. Jim over there has been great. This is color matched to a Benjamin Moore color. And I want to say, you know, we're in like that $100, $120 range a gallon for primer and top coat. Primer obviously being slightly less. I bought 6 gallons. It was like 800 and change, something like that. So very impressed so far. We'll see how the top coat shoots and go from there. It's definitely a contender for the finish that we'll use in the shop.
Like, subscribe, and follow, or what?
Comment, like, subscribe, yeah, anything,
anything
like that.
Subscribe. I might have to write that down because I'm only good at driving a truck.
You're on. All right, we're here with Joe from Fez Hall. You've heard all about this guy, world's best delivery driver. I mean it 100%. He's going to tell you exactly what to do right now.
Like, follow, and subscribe.
What about comment?
And comment too.
Comment twice.
Twice.
Thanks for watching.
Bye, Ted. Oh, yeah.